Hi guys, I've stolen Mrs. C's unboxing day today. As soon as I bought it, I'm unboxing it. It's another Amazon delivery. Normally Mrs. C's all over these things, but today, that's down to me. I know what it is already. I can guarantee I won't be keeping it for long. Oh, that's what Mrs. C's. Oh, what I've got here. Oh. We've got the DJI Mic Mini 2, guys, right there. That's a bit smart, isn't it? DJI. Don't know why we need more microphones, because we've got the DJI Mic 2, we've got two of them. We've got the DJI Mic 3, we've got two of them. We've got the DJI Mic Mini 1s, we've got two of them. And now we've got two DJI Mic Mini 2s. Well, there you go then. But this one's got a charging case and all sorts of weird shit that comes with it. So this is I sort of want this for myself, but I know that Mrs. C will snatch it off me because it's got coloured covers with it, and some of the colours are orange and yellow. And if you know anything about UK-PINAY and the house, and if you've been watching the videos, you'll know that Mrs. C loves orange and yellow. So I pretty much spent a shitload of dough on this just so she can have an orange microphone or a yellow microphone. So let's see what's in the box, guys. Let's just undo this thing. There we go. Very nice. Well packaged as usual from DJI. Everything's in boxes and bags. Oh, what we got in there? Obviously, you get stickers as usual. Mrs. C has them for her iPad and stuff like that. So we've got a nice. Oh, okay, this is soft. Excellent. Let's see what's in this bag. Something soft in the bag. Plastic's very hard on these as well. Hard to get into. Oh, very flash. So, straight away out the bag, we've got a nice DJI bag. Mrs. C will be all over that, you can guarantee it. She will be all over it. There's no way I'm going to flipping get this into my collection, guys. I'll end up with the Mic 3s. I know what's going to happen here straight away. She's like a magpie attracted to pretty colours and shiny things. So you get a bag with it. Look at that. And it's got a zip. So if we open that zip, we've got more stuff. So we've got another bag. Let's open this bag as well. Let's see what's in this bag, guys. Mrs. C's over there watching me like a hawk. She's watching me. Right, so in this bag, we've got a box. It's a little clear box and it says DJI on it. Probably can't see it properly. But look what's inside. Ooh. We've got these really fancy covers, guys. These are the ones that Mrs. C's got her eye on. It's the only reason I bought bloody Mic Mini 2s, so she can have this little bit of plastic with magnets on it. See? There's loads of different colours. Got yellow, she loves yellow. We've got yellow ones, look. We've got purples, we've got greens, we've got all sorts of bloody colours there. Right, so they're the interchangeable fronts. I'll put them right there. Get this bag out of the way. What else is in the magic bag. Oh, okay. So we've got another bag. You do get a lot for your money with these DJI Mic Mini 2s. In here we have got that's for like cameras. That's a 3.5 jack cable, guys. That's for your camera. It goes from a receiver to your camera. Okay, don't worry about that for now. We've got another cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. That came with it as well. We've got loads of them things. Absolute shitload of it. But there's another cable for us, guys. That's handy because it'll charge like everything we've got DJI. What else is in the bag? Okay, a bag of silica gel. Well, that's, we're not really using that for anything. What else is in the bag? Oh my god. We've got a dead rabbit. Well, not literally a dead rabbit. We've got a fluffy dead rabbit thing for the top of the mic. That's your standard Afro Man dead rabbit type grey, dark grey sort of ting. We've got one of them. What else is in there? Got little pockets inside, guys. Yeah, you can see that. So inside there we've got another. It's not a dead rabbit actually. I'm lying through my teeth. I think they call them dead cats. Looks a bit like a dead cat. Well, yeah, Ascension calls them minions. So that's another minion. We've got two of those now. What else is in here? Oh, there's another bag in here. Oh, here we are. What's this? 1, 2. We got two magnets. We've got two magnets for the microphones. Everything's coming separate, guys. That's mad. So we get the DJI magnets for the back of the microphone clips. 1 and 2 of those little magnets. God, they're strong. It's just snapped together. And whatever these things. Ah, right, I get it. So these are black fronts for the DJI mics. So we've had a box with orange and purple and blues, and I can't even open this bloody thing. So we've had a box full of different colours: purples, blues, yellows, oranges, greens. And in this one we have just black ones, standard black. So I've got one of those. Two of those, just standard black. Okay, what I think I'll do then, because I noticed in here there was 2 spare spaces, we'll put the black ones in there. There you go. We'll put the black ones in as well. 1, 2. Now we've actually got a full set. See? Click. Dead cats, magnets, cables. Now for the fun bit, guys. Mrs. C's still watching me like a hawk. Ooh. I'm doing my best Mrs. C impression there. Ooh. So we've got a plastic charging case, not a metal one like you get with the Mic 2s. This is plastic. It's got little stickers on it as well. Let's get the little stickers off. Pull the stickers off. It's a very satisfying thing, pulling stickers. So on the back of this, obviously that's a switch to open the top. Not very big. And on the back you've got a USB-C charging port. And inside, if you push that bit, oh, here we go. Check this out, guys. This is a charging case, so it will charge 2 microphones and the receiver. So there, which was flashing away already, is a nice DJI receiver, which I can use for pretty much anything. I think you can go into the bottom of your mobile phones, you can put it into your laptop. So there's a receiver, guys. That's pretty funky, like that. That just sits in there and charges. Here's the microphones. We've got 2 of those in there. Look, there's 1 and 2. They're not actually silver, they're plastic. They're like a see-through plastic. Got more labels to take off, look. They're very, very light, and they're a see-through plastic colour. Let's take the labels off that. There's the charging ports on the bottom, guys. They're just charging the case. But I should imagine they'll charge up on little mini chargers like we've got for the Mini 2 anyway at home. Yeah, pretty good. So that's 1, 2 of those. Very, very light, and you've got the clip on the back of these. Now I think with these, I was looking at a Google YouTube video, they'll actually pull completely off. They have a magnet on the back, so you can set the clip sideways, or you can clip it upside down, or you can clip it the right way up, and they'll just clip onto a t-shirt or something like that. And then obviously you've got your magnets, which let's figure this out, because these are really strong. The magnet will go on the back of the clip as well, just like on the other ones. I wonder if I took the clip off, whether you could just put the magnet straight onto the back. Yes, you can. So you could put that inside your t-shirt, guys, and you haven't got a big bulky clip on it. That's pretty alright, isn't it? You can just have the magnet straight onto the back. That's different to the Mic Mini ones. Like them. So you got clips and you got magnets. 2 of those. Yay. And then I believe that these fronts just pop off. They're just magnetic. Yeah, they are just magnetic. You've got DJI underneath as well, but you can change the magnetic fronts really easily. There you go. Different colours. Right, so as far as this is concerned, everything's deciding it wants to sort of flash and charge now. There's loads of green lights going on. It's pretty funky. You can put both microphones back in there. They should charge. Yeah, they're all charging, they're all flashing, all blinking. And apparently the magnets go on the back here. Let's have a look at that. So one there, they sit just nicely, they're not going anywhere. And you've got the other magnet goes on that side. That's both magnets, they sit in there. The dead cats sit in there, like that. And I think you can coil up a cable and put that in there, and that all sits inside, guys. Pretty funky. I like. Okay, that's enough for now. We'll let Mrs. C play with these things later. But that is the DJI Mic 2, guys. The Mic Mini 2. Very good. That's me done for now. Catch you later.
Sabihin kung paano